guys, welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff. This week I am doing a quick unboxing of this that I got in the mail. So basically last year we started with a small garden and we kind of want to make something a little bit bigger this year. I think we're maybe a little bit behind schedule, but anyway, through Amazon we ordered an electric tiller. I'll put a link in the description below. So I'm going to turn some of this behind us into a bit of a garden. The camera is actually sitting on our small little garden that we made last year. So let's do an unboxing of this Sun Joe electric tiller. I'll let future Austin tell you all the details about this.
Alright guys, so this is the Sun Joe TJ600E Joe 14-inch 6.5 amp electric tiller. You can buy this on Amazon right now for $80. Normally it's around $160, so it says it's 50% off, but I don't know if it's always 50% off or if it's just going on sale right now. But anyway, this is the smaller version of all of the different tillers that Sun Joe offers. There are other options that are a little bit more powerful. This one tills about 14 inches wide and about 7 inches deep. This tiller is mainly meant for a small to medium-sized garden. And one good thing about it being electric is that you don't have to worry about gas or oil. So there's a lot less maintenance with this electric one, but also you're going to have less power too. So there's kind of a trade-off when it comes to that. Assembly is pretty straightforward. There are two handles that you'll need to connect to the motor base. You can see me here screwing in one of the handles to the support that goes between them. And once you screw both of those in, you'll then connect it to the motor. Once you've connected the two handles to the motor base, all that's left to do is a little bit of cable management. It comes with two clips that connect the wire to the handle itself. So you just put those in and it keeps the wire straight and doesn't let it get twisted. Now it's time to get to the real unboxing. So here's some footage of me using the tiller. I did a shallow pass just to get some of the grass off, and then I came back and dug a little bit deeper. I had to say that this tiller was doing a lot better than I was expecting it to do. I do have very sandy soil, so it is easier for the tiller where I live, but I have read some of the reviews and they say that it pulled up rocks and bricks with no problem. It was a little interesting to get used to using a tiller and having to manage the cable, much like a vacuum cleaner. You just have to make sure you don't run over the extension cord because it would get wrapped up and probably break and, I don't know, could even electrocute you. I actually had a lot of fun using this thing. If you're in the market for a tiller that's affordable, this one for $80 is pretty great so far from what I can tell. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching Austin Makes Stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every once in a while. And feel free to share this video with a gardening friend. I'll see you next time. Thanks.